Here's little Emma with her hiccups. Oh. Oh, honey. Your poor little hiccups. You, Emma, usually have these almost every time you eat, you get a little bit of hiccups. You breathe so well, you don't know why during your feeding. Oh. See those dark brown eyes.